everyone. Today we are going to explore something super fun, the flex sensor. The sensor that reacts when you bend it. Let's see how it works. Flex sensor changes its resistance when bent. More bending, high resistance. Less bending, lower resistance. It's used in robotics, finger tracking, wearables, gaming devices, and many more. To make a project with this, there are two options, with Arduino board or without Arduino board. Okay, let's try the option one, without Arduino board. So for this you will need a flex sensor, a more battery, an LED and a 440 ohms resistor. And here is how to connect it. You need to connect the negative wire of the bread of the 9 volt battery directly to the LED. So I will connect the negative, which is from the 9 volt battery, to the cathode of the LED, and the positive to the terminal 1 of the resistor, and the terminal 2 to the flex sensor. And you need to take that to the LED. And like this, we can create our own system like this. Now, when I bend, you can see the LED brightness. And if I break this, and if I keep this, it will make more current. So if you don't want the resistor, you can remove it. So you can see the LED goes goes from it. And this is one simplest way, but it's not efficient. Now let's see the second option. For the second option, we need an Arduino UNO LED and reflex sensor. To connect it, you need to connect the cathode of the LED to ground and the anode of the LED to pin number 9. Then you can use any pins if you want, and you need to change it in the code. Then you need to take the flex sensor and connect its one to one of the analog pins. I'm choosing A0 for this and the other to 5 volts like this. Now let's code it up. For the Arduino, we will use the C++ language. So we need to use this code, which is in flex pin AO, which is analog pin. In LED pin is 9, and in the voice setup we have LED pin is the output. Serial begin 9600. In the flex value, we want the analog read flex pin and serial pin the flex value, which means the value. And in light LED brightness equal to map flex value 300, 800, 0 to 155. Map the flex value to PVM range 0 to 255. LED brightness constraint LED brightness 0 to 255. Analog bright LED pin LED brightness. Delay 100 seconds. You can use this code. So I will give you a moment to see this code. Ready? Now let's check it. I'm sorry guys. I need to say this thing because if I run this, the Arduino will suck up more energy for the LED. So it will break up. So for this, you need to connect the 440 ohms resistor to the positive wire of the LED, then connect it to digital pin 9, and it will not suck up more energy. And as you can see, when I bend this, you can see the LED brightness decreases. Like this, you can create your own like own circuit. And I hope so you like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so I can receive my future videos. Thank you.